Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to download and install Netbeans 22 and Java JDK 21 on Windows 10. So just go to any browser and just type download Java JDK and then click on Java Downloads Oracle. I am going to download JDK 21. So just click on JDK 21. Now click on Windows. Select JDK 21 and then click on Windows. And then click on x64 installer. This will start the download. So it is going to take 3 to 4 minutes depending on your internet connection. So after downloading, and once you go to your downloads, you are going to see the JDK setup. Now just click on next. Now close. Now go to any browser and just type download Netbeans and then click on Apache Netbeans releases. This will take you to the official website and you can see latest release Netbeans 22. Just click on download. Now you can see installers and packages. Click on Apache Netbeans 22 Windows x64. Now click on this. It is going to start the download. Now after downloading, go to your downloads. Now click on next. Check the box for I accept the terms and click on next. Now click on next. Install. Now click on finish. Now open Netbeans. Click on file and new project, then select Java with and select Java application. Click on next. Now give a project name. I will give the project name my first Java project. Then click on finish. Now just type here system dot out dot print ln and inside double quotation type hello Java and give a semicolon. Now click on file and save all. Run project. And you can see it says hello Java. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch more videos.